Hi guys, this is Abdul Salim from Jisan Academy. Today we are going to see forms in CSS. Let us go to Sublime Editor. We'll go for the coding in between the body tag. We'll go for H1 tag where I'm going for Jisan Academy. Then close the H1 tag. We'll go to the next line. Then we'll go for H2 tag. And we'll go for application form. Then close the H2 tag. Now we'll go for div tag. And you have to close this div tag. In between the div tag, we'll go for form. You have to open the form tag. Action is equal to double quotes. You have to give any file name, PHP file name. Then you have to close the form. In between the form tag, we'll go for the buttons, labels, buttons and all. We'll go for label. For equal to double quotes, you have to give some name for the label. I am giving a name here. Close this one. Then you have to close the label tag. In between this label, you can give the text there. I am giving here as first name. Then colon here. And then we will go for input button. Go for input. Input type equal to double quotes text. Then you have to give some ID for that. ID is equal to, you can give any name here. I am giving here IDF name. You can give any name there. And you have to give the name for the input box. Name equal to, in the double quotes I am giving here NF name. Close this one. Here you can give one more thing, that is placeholder. Placeholder equal to double quotes. You can give it whatever you want. I am giving here your name or enter your name, like that you can give it here. Enter your name. Enter your first name. Then you can give double dots here like this. Then you have to close this input tag. Now we'll go for the next one. Just copy this input tag. Then go for input type equal to text. ID I am giving here last name. Here also we'll go for L name. Placeholder. We'll give the last name here. Here we will go for label for this last name. Just copy this one. Select the whole label, copy this one, and after this first name, paste it here. Then you can go for label for L name. Here you can type it here last name. and here we got the input type. Okay, enter your last name. Then after that we will go for the label. We just copy this whole thing, copy, and we'll make the duplicate of this one here. We'll paste it here. Label for, we'll go for some company name. Company name, then colon here, then you can give it here. Oh, sorry, here you can give some C name like that, company name, just C name, and then here you have to give company name. Then here we will go for the select option. Select ID equal to, we'll go for some name for this one. You have to give it in double quotes. C name, C company name. We'll go for just company, and then we'll close this tag. You can give name also, name equal to double quotes. Then here you can give any name. I'm giving company here. Just make it company, N company, and here you let it be here as ID company. Then you have to close this one. Then you have to close your select tag. In between this select tag, we will go for the option. Option value equal to double quotes. You can give any value there. I'm giving Google. Double quotes. Then you have to close this one. Then you have to give the value there. You have to give the text there. I'm giving Google here. Then you can close the option tag. Then we'll copy this one. We'll make the duplicate of this one. We'll make the paste of this one. Just click here, Control V, Control V, Control V. Like this, you can give the company names here. Let us give it here Yahoo. Here we will go for Yahoo. Then here I'm going for Facebook. Then here you can go for Facebook. Here you will go for any other company name like Adobe. Here also you can give the name Adobe. Now we have closed the option here, and we have closed the select, and we have closed the form also. We have closed the div. That's all. We'll go for saving the file. Go to file, save it here. Then you have to go to the browser. Then refresh the browser. You can see the form here. I got it here, Jisan Academy application form. Then here the first name, here the last name, and we got the company name here. We got the options here, Google, Yahoo, Facebook, this whole thing. We did not gone for the submit button. We'll go to the Sublime editor and we will enter the code here. After this select option, we'll go for input type equal to double quotes. Then we'll go for submit button. Then you can go for the value equal to double quotes. submit. Then you have to close the input tag. Now go to the file, save it here, go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see the submit button here. Now you can enter the name. Here you just click it here and enter the last name. Here you can select any company name here. Then here you can go for submit button. If you click on submit, it will take to your action.php and do the task there. Just click it here. See now it's gone to the action.php. Now we'll go back here. Now we'll go for some styles here. We'll make some designings here. Go to your editor and we'll go to the style here. In between the style tag, we will go for now. We'll go for input. Open square bracket. Open and close the square bracket. Then you can go for type equal to text, comma, and for select, open and close the curly braces. Now you have to give the coding in between these curly braces. Now I am giving here width equal to it will be width colon 100%. You can go for 100%. Now save the file. Go to the browser, refresh it here. Now you see that the input button and the select option, we got it for 100%. The complete page you got it. That is the 100% width. The next line will go for padding. We will give some padding for that. Padding colon. You can give any padding here. I am giving you 15 pixel space. Give it here again. I am giving here 15 pixel paddings. Go to the, or we will make it here 30 pixels. Go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh it here. You just see the paddings. We got the paddings here. This is the Premiere. It is 15 and Premiere we got the 30 pixels. Now we'll go for the margins. Go for margin. Eight pixel and I'm giving you a 0 pixel. Go to file, save the file, refresh the browser. Okay. Go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see some adjustments here. We'll give some more here. Margin I am giving you 25 and here also you will make it your 25 margins. Then go to the file, save the file, refresh the browser. You can see the margins we got, little more margins here. Here this one instead of 100 we will go for some 80% of the of the screen, just go to the file, save it here, go to the browser, refresh. You can see we got it little bit inside. Now we'll go to here, we'll go for 100% only, then save it here, browser, refresh it here. Okay, now let us see the next one here. We'll go for display, colon, inline block, we'll give it here. Go to the file, save it here. Okay, this is the inline block. Now we'll go for some border. Border colon, I am giving you a 2 pixel solid and gray color. Just go to the file and save it here. Refresh the browser. You can see now I got the border. Now we'll go for the next one here. Border radius will go to the Sublime editor. Then you can give it here. Border dash radius colon, we'll go for some pixels. I am giving you a 6 pixel radius. Go for semicolon. Go for file, save this one, go to the browser, refresh it here. I got the rounded box here. We'll go for the div tag, div. We'll go for open and close curly braces. Then we'll go the coding here. Padding I am giving for this one, padding. Let us give it here around 20 pixel I am giving here. Colon, semicolon here. Then save the file. Now see the browser. Go to the browser. Just refresh it here. Now we'll go for some div width. Will go here. Width is equal to width colon. We will go for some around 1000 pixels like that. You can give it here. Go for file, save it here. Now go to the browser, refresh it here. You can see this one is reduced now. Like this you can increase or decrease your div tag. I am giving here around 90% of this one. Just remove this one, go for 90%. Go to the file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh it here. See now we got for 90%. We'll go for margins here, let it be 20. And here we will make it here, margin will make it here around 5 pixel. Okay, now go to the file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh it here. You can see it's coming in the same line. Okay, now we'll go for border colors and all. In the div here, we'll go here and then we'll go for the border radius. Then we will go for around, suppose I am giving you 5 pixels. colon, then we'll go for the border background color. You can go for any color. I'm going for pink here, or light green, or we'll give light green here. And then semicolon. Now save the file. Go to file, save it here, and then go to the browser, refresh it here. You can see the background color, green color, and then we will just make it a little bit bigger. We'll go for around 95%. Here we will go for 90%. Go to file, save it here, then refresh the browser. Okay, now you got it clearly here. That's it. Now let us see the next one here. We will go for the submit button here. This one also we will make it bigger size. Go to the Sublime editor. Okay, now we'll go for input type. Same thing, we'll copy it here. Copy and then we'll paste it here. Now we'll go for curly braces and right here. We'll give the coding here. Width we'll go for width colon. We'll go for the same thing, 90% width. Then we'll go for the background color. You can give any background color. I am giving you light blue. Semicolon. Then color of the text I am giving you. Okay, let me give it a black. Semicolon. Padding you can give it here. I am giving you 15 pixel and here also 15 pixels. Colon. Then margin. We'll give the same margin. 25 pixel and then 5 pixel. Semicolon. And right here. Then border. We'll go for none, no border for this submit button. And then border radius. We'll give around 5 pixel border radius. Cursor. We'll go for some pointer cursor. Whenever you move the mouse over the submit button, it will change to pointer button. I will go for file, save the file, go to browser, refresh your browser. Now you can see that it is changed to blue color. Oh, sorry, it is text. We have to change it to the, we have to change it to submit. This is the submit, not the text here. Submit. Now go to file, save it here. Go to the browser, refresh it here. See now, we got this submit button. It's in light blue color and then here it's written submit. Here you can select the company names from here and here you can type your first name, your last name, whatever you want. You just type your name and then you can go for the submit button. Whenever you move the mouse over this button, you will find that the cursor changes to pointer. Now let us see the next one. Go to the Sublime editor. Then we'll go for the next input. Same thing, we'll copy it here. Copy this one. Control C and then go for Control V. Now we will change this one to here, submit colon over HOVER. Whenever you move the mouse over this one, this one no need here, this whole things, just remove this one here, and then we will just keep the color, just remove this whole things, delete this one. Now here we will change this one to blue color, and here we will change this one to white color. Go to the file, save it here, go to the browser, refresh it here. Okay, here you can see now whenever I come to this one button, it changes to blue and then the letter is in white color. This is the way you can go for the form. Hope you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.